Friends, today we are going to learn about third experiment in EE2. The experiment name is current shunt feedback amplifier. The aim of this experiment is nothing but you need to find out the with feedback and without feedback of this amplifier. Now I am just showing the circuit diagram of current shunt feedback amplifier without feedback. This circuit belongs to without feedback. You have RS, coupling capacitor, R1, R2, RC, RE, bypass capacitor, coupling capacitor, and the output of this coupling capacitor of first stage amplifier is connected to the second stage of base transistor of second stage amplifier. Again R11, R12, RC2, RE2, and we have bypass capacitor. There is one more resistor which is connected series to the RE, so which is 100 kilo ohm. Your shunt resistance is your 4.7 kilo ohm, and shunt capacitance is nothing but 1 kpf. Your coupling capacitor CC2 from your second stage output has been connected to the output voltage. This circuit diagram belongs to the without feedback amplifier, current shunt without feedback amplifier. Now look at second setup of your diagram. The same circuit diagram, this is your with feedback. The same circuit diagram you need to replicate it here, but the output of second stage amplifier, which is BC548, the coupling bypass capacitor is connected to the first stage of your coupling capacitor CC1. The output of it is connected back to the input with the help of two different passive elements. One is your R 15 kilo ohm and 10 microfarad. This resistor will be a feedback from output to the input. Output of your second stage to the input of my first stage. This is your with feedback of current shunt amplifier, current shunt feedback amplifier. Now let us look at the circuit diagram of without feedback on my breadboard. So now this is your breadboard connection. So you have RS, coupling capacitor CC1. This is your first stage of your transistor. This is your second stage of your transistor. You have R1, R2, RC1, RE, bypass capacitor. You had this is RC1 of first stage, and this is your coupling capacitor which is connected to the base of my second stage of amplifier. This is R1, R2, RC, and RE. This is bypass capacitor. This is across your shunt resistance and shunt capacitance. This is your output of your output signal of your CRO. Now look at the input. You need to give the let's look at the input is nothing but 3 millivolts. 3 millivolts into 5. This is 0.8. This is zigzagging it here. 0.6 into 5 is 3 millivolts into 5. This is 3 millivolts. Now look at my output circuit, output signal. So when I was giving input as 3 millivolts, and output will be approximately, we got around 3.2. So now look at your output. We have something called approximately 3.2. Now look at my without feedback table form. 1 kilohertz of your input frequency. 3 is your millivolts is a constant. The output voltage is 3.2. So output by input I got gain of 1066. So 1000 gain of 66 from 1 kilohertz to I got till 50 kilohertz of same mid band of my gain is 1666. So when you look at in dBs, so I have mid band gain 60 dB from 1 kilo to 5 kilohertz. So when you vary the frequency from low to high, so you will get it bandwidth. So this is my 60 dB of without feedback. Now look at my circuit diagram on breadboard. So now I am going to connect the feedback. This is my two feedback elements. One is capacitor, other one is resistor. So this is your this element is your feedback resistor element, which is 15 kilo ohm, which is connected from your output of your bypass capacitor to the, and this is connecting wires to the input of my coupling capacitor. So I just connected. Look at my output signal. This is my output signal when I was connected bypass. So look at my output signal is going to change. When I was connected my feedback, my output signal got changed. This is my output signal. This is my output signal. This is my output signal. So this is without feedback when I connected with feedback, the output signal has drastically changed to 3.2 to 0.8. This is output 0.8. So now look at my table form, something around. This is without feedback, I got 3.2 volts, and with feedback, when I was connected 15 kilo ohm from output to the input, I got 1.4 kilo ohm, 1.4 volts. So when I will look at output by input, I got 466 gain. So now look at my gain. This is without feedback, I got 1066. With feedback, I got 466. So this is the gain with feedback which has been got for. Now I just draw the frequency response graph. So gain first without feedback, I got 1066. This is my y-axis, which is gain. This is x-axis is frequency. So this is mid band gain. So the gain has been got for 466 with feedback. Thank you.